Si Rian, agpispis kagti kangkong, nagagawin naming kangkong chips mamaya, di ba? You want that? Kangkong chips?
Yes.
Yes? Oh, yala. Do it good, ah. Wow. Good. Later, we make kangkong chips. Yes. You eat. Taste. You want to eat. When it's cooked, you eat later, okay? It's good. That is kangkong.
Yeah.